Sir, B V Acharya has reacted, speaking exclusively to Times Now. Let's take a listen.
I have with me Senior Counsel Mr. B V Acharya, who previously was a Special Public Prosecutor in the Jayalalitha disproportionate assets case and will be representing the state of Karnataka in the Supreme Court. Sir, how do you see this case here on, and what are the bearings that we can expect on Jayalalitha based on the developments here?
You see, it is only today the state government has taken a decision to file the appeal. And the appeal will be filed in due course. And in the usual course, you see, when you file an appeal, you seek an order of stay of the impugned order. Whether it should be granted or not depends on the Supreme Court. Now, anything we can consider only after the appeal is filed and the matter comes up for admission before the Supreme Court and it grants leave.
So the implication on Jayalalitha and her status as a Chief Minister will depend on the reaction of the Supreme Court to this particular appeal.
You are right.
That's fine. Sir, and here on, what are the developments that we can expect as far as the appeal itself is concerned, and is just a mere appeal enough to have an implication on Jayalalitha?
No, mere filing of an appeal will have no immediate implication. It is only after the filing of the appeal and after the Supreme Court decides to take a view on interim relief, then only it may have some implication.
Okay, sir. Sir, your stand is vindicated. You submitted a report on same lines. The AG spoke of it on similar lines and recommended you to be the representative for the state of Karnataka. The law department spoke. What do you think were the factors that were considered by the prosecution agency, which is Karnataka, before deciding on this?
See, whether against a judgment an appeal should be preferred or not has to be decided purely on legal grounds, not on any other consideration, political or otherwise. So in this case, you see, I have given my honest opinion on the basis of the legal provisions that it is a fit case for appeal, and I am told that the learned Advocate General also has agreed with me, and similarly the law department has also agreed with the opinion that this is a fit case for appeal. According to me, strictly looking at it from the point of view of law, no other opinion was possible, and I am glad that the cabinet has taken the decision purely on merits by considering the legal opinion in the matter.
Okay. How do you look at the verdict of the trial court and then the appellate court, and how it was completely reversed, and today it stands to be questioned, sir? How do you look at it?
You see, I do not wish to make comments about these two judgments. It may not be quite proper for me to take the media into confidence with regard to all the grounds which we would have mentioned. There are two judgments which are reversing, two taking divergent views, and ultimately it is for the Supreme Court to take a decision. I have honestly felt that the judgment of the High Court suffers from several infirmities, both legal, factual and arithmetical, and that is why I have recommended an appeal. Now that the decision has been taken, we will test it before the Supreme Court.
Okay.